Okay guys, welcome to part 2 of my Blastoise hunting extravaganza, I guess you could say. So we still have not packed Blastoise, but we did pack this Venusaur, which I would say is just as good. And you know, this Flagon too, I love this Flagon. So far, hold on. Just move that. Packed this many, or pulled this many cards out of 26 packs so far, and that's quite a bit. Okay, that's good. So we'll move these to the side, make some room for the next 26. See, 26 packs, guys. Let's get right into it. I'm eager to pack Blastoise. Don't want to wait too long. Let's get right into it. Destroy the pack. Don't even care. Uh-oh. Okay, I thought the cards were like glued to the bottom of the pack. But we're good, we're good. So, we have Sandshrew, Snorunt, Koffing, Drillbur, Swirlix, Electric Energy, Arachnid, Draw Energy, Unidentified Fossil, Dewpider, and Mimikyu. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Really feeling it in this one, in this pile of packs, that Blastoise is in here. Squirrel, Pikachu, Stuffle, Pawniard. You know what? I'm pretty sure I don't have them yet out of all these packs. I think that's a common. Wow. So we have Litleo, Water Energy, Will, Golduck, Pangoro. Coughing full art again. Okay, okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. And then we got Walrein. Probably my favorite full art on the card in this set. I just love like the style of it. It's awesome. So, I don't think I have Sneasel yet. Might have. I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Sneasel, Natu, Trapinch, Spiel, Tasmian, Dark Energy, Prinplup, Anorith, Kricketune, Rockruff, and Gallade. Hollow. Put that in the sleeve. And we go to the next pack. Oh, come on. There we go. Uh-oh. I think I just ruined the corners by pulling out the pack like that, or the card like that. There we go. So we have Ducklet, Swirlix, Grimer, Slugma, Chinchou, Steel Energy, Curlia, Roller Skater, Clefairy, Ralts, and oh my gosh, guys. Okay, get the sleeve. We just packed the Rainbow Secret Rare in the last, or in part 1. Where is it? Here it is. Boom. Look at that. That is sweet. Same card, different art though. Awesome. But is it a Blastoise? No, I'm just kidding. Well, not really. I want a Blastoise so bad. have the Charizard. Already have the Venusaur. Just need the Blastoise. It's funny how my most sought after card is like one of the last ones that I need. So we need Woobat, Ducklet, Helioptile, Cosmog, Slugma, Psychic Energy, Vibrava, Probopass, Igglybuff, Florigus, and Sunflora. Okay, let me neatly pile these cards real quick, guys. Okay. Next pack. So, oh wait, gotta do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Vulpix, Rockruff, Stuffle, Rowlet, Phantump, Steel Energy, Mallow, Lileep, Rotom, Temple, and Blastoise. No, it's a Weezing. It's okay, guys. It's not even halfway through this pile yet, so still got a high chance. So we have Ponyta, Sunkern, Cosmog, Psyduck, Trapinch, Water Energy, Will, Mimikyu, Beastite, Pikachu, and Blastoise. Nope, Fione. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got Piplup, Vulpix, Rockruff, Stuffle, Rowlet, Water Energy, Gloom, Floette, Zangoose, Armaldo, and Blastoise. It's not Blastoise, guys. Oh my god, this is really turning into sad boy hours right now. Packs are kind of hard to open sometimes. Sometimes they're like super like glued together, and other times they're just, you know, open like liquid or something. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got Sandygast, Spiel, Cottony, Rowlet, Phantump, Grass Energy, Mallow and Lana, Zelio, Draw Energy, Ducklet, and I'm feeling it, Blastoise. Really? Ursaring again? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Cosmog, Ponyta, Crabrawler, Carvana, Chinchou, Darkness Energy, Igglybuff, Will, Bulldog, Sandslash, and Ursaring again. Well, we're not getting many hits from this side, from this pile of packs, which is really unfortunate. One, 2, 3, 4. So we have Vulpix, Rockruff, Stuffle, Rowlet, Phantump, Water Energy, Guzman Hala, Larion, Igglybuff, Larvesta, and Xatu. Not Blastoise. AKA not Blastoise. What the heck, guys? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Magmite, Eevee, Flabébé, Sneasel, Nat2, Electric Energy, Misty and Lorelei, Dusclops, Professor Oak Setup, Golett, and once again, not Blastoise. This is not going well, guys. I mean, well, yeah, it's going well. Got some nice cards. But Blastoise-wise, not good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Sandshrew, Ponyta, Sunkern, Cosmog, Psyduck, Fire Energy, Probopass, Torkoal, Ambipom, Slurpuff? Yeah, Slurpuff, and... Oh, really? Okay, that's gotta be a joke. Where's the Blastoise? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Zuro, Rufflet, Oddish, Rolls, Sandygast, Fairy Energy, Pangoro, Heracross, Lily's Pokédoll. Oh my god, look at that Pikachu full art. Okay, we gotta see what's behind this card before I put it in a sleeve. Oh my god, if that was a Blastoise, that would have been my best pack ever. Boom, look at that. Pikachu full art. Secret rare. Okay. Let's keep moving. We have like 4, 8, 11 more packs. 11 more shots to get Blastoise. I kind of wish they had, you know, just a regular, just rare, non-GX Blastoise. Just so I can say I packed the Blastoise. Uh-oh. I think I ruined it, guys. There's something in here. I ruined the surprise. Not fully, though. It could be Blastoise. Got Phantump, Grimer, Magmite, Eevee, Flabébé, Grass Energy, Vaporeon, Absol, Rotom, Rockruff, and wow! Roller Skater Secret Rare! Another Secret Rare, guys! Full art! Double hit. Back to back. Now they're rolling in. Can we get a triple? See what I mean, guys? Easy, just like butter. That one opened, but so easy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Rolls, Sandygast, Spiel, Cottony, Rowlet, Psychic Energy, Lileep, Erica, Jolteon, Chaotic Swell, and Weevil. Running on packs, guys. No Blastoise yet. Brawler, Carvana, Chincho, Azul, Rufflet, Grass Energy, Unidentified Fossil, Rapidash, Roxy, Onyx, and Marshadow? That is the first time I pulled this one out of all these packs. Crazy. I'm pretty sure, to be honest. Maybe. Maybe I already have it. I don't know, guys. But I do know that I don't have Blastoise yet. This is the one, guys. I can feel it. Blastoise in this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Grammar, Slugma, Chincho, Cosmog, Pancham, Darkness Energy, Chaotic Swell, Type Null, Islands Challenge Amulet, Trapinch, and Fiona again. Oh, we're so close. It was water. It was a water type, but not Blastoise. One, two, three, four. So we have Deerling, Teddiursa, Golett, Dewpider, Helioptile, Fire Energy, Red and Blue, Lily's Pokédoll, Dragonium, Ursaring, and how do you say it? What is that even? Blacephalon? Blacephalon? It's an Ultra Beast. I have no idea. Is that like a clown Pokemon? That's weird. That's weird. Okay. One, two, three, four. So we have Onyx, Whalmer, Palpitoad, Kricketot, Apom, Fighting Energy, Misty and Lorelei, Gloom, Celio, Timple, and a Sandslash. Okay, maybe we should rub the Blastoise for good luck. Rub the packs on it. There we go. So we have 5 packs left, guys. Cutting it real close. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Whalmer, Pawniard, Togedemaru. Oh yeah, that's a mouthful. Trapinch, Flabébé, Steel Energy, Delmise, sorry, Islands Challenge Amulet, Curlia, Cosmog, and Wishy Washy GX. Guys, another hit! It's another hit! We don't have them yet. So close. Water type, but not Blastoise. Wishy Washy. It's kind of a funny name, Wishy Washy. Four packs left, guys. Please let me get Blastoise, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Sneasel, Natu, Trapinch, Spiel, Pasmian, Electric Energy, Dartrix, Lily's Full Force, Ends Resolve, Spiel, and Weevil. Gosh. Come on. Please. 3 packs left. He's really playing. Blastoise really be playing me right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Rufflet, Piplup, Vulpix, Rockruff, Stuffle, Psychic Energy, Ambipom, Lana's Fishing Rod, Vaporeon, Vulpix, Fiona! We have 2 packs, guys. 2 chances to get Blastoise. Going through these kind of fast because I just want to know if I get them or not. Either way, oh my god. Either way, if we don't get them today, I'd call this pack opening a success. Got some hits. We'll go over the hits after this. So we have Trapinch, Sneasel, Spiel, Meowth, Ralts, Electric Energy, Celio, Bisharp, Tropius, Passman, and Flygon GX again. Okay. Put that in the sleeve. I will take it. Okay, but one more pack. I need Blastoise, guys. Not once. I need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof, the centering is off. If it's Blastoise, might not be a perfect card, but that's okay. If it's Blastoise, it's Blastoise. Stuffle, Rowlet, Phantom, Magnemite, Lillipup, Water Energy, Bisharp, Torkoal, Gloom, that guy. Okay, we ended off on a hit. But, not the hit we're looking for. But, I will take a GX, Togepi, and Cleffa, and Igglybuff. So that was the last pack, guys. Okay, let's go over the big cards that we got real quick before I end the video. So, just packed that one. Got a Flygon GX, Wishy Washy GX, Roller Skater Full Art, Pikachu Full Art, Arceus and Dialga and Palkia GX Full Art, Secret Rare Rainbow Arceus and Dialga and Palkia GX. No, just a random Gallade Hollow. Koffing Full Art, another Flygon GX, Venusaur and Snivy GX, Silvally GX, Persian GX, Black Kyurem Hollow, another Koffing Full Art, and a Weevil Full Art. Oh, and Giant Hearth Full Art, the first one we pulled. I really like the gold on that. It's pretty sweet looking. Okay, guys. I have a lot of cards to go through now to put in the binder. Let's see if I can... Yeah, okay, there's a lot of cards there. Yeah, that's a lot. But yeah, anyways, guys, we didn't get Blastoise, but that's fine. We got a lot of cards to add to the collection. Next video will probably be a collection update, because, you know, the last pack opening I did for the Cosmic Eclipse, that was the first time ever opening those, so after I update it, I will post a video of the updated binder, just show what I have, and then from there, after that, I'm not quite too sure, because, you know, this costs a lot of money to buy all these cards. But if you liked the video, guys, please subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. See you guys. Take care.